So, hey guys, we're back for our chapter 4 summary titled Network Access. With this summary, you'll be dealing with the connection of each other or other devices through cables. We have as we as before, the console cable. We have also the fiber optic. We also have the the CE, DTE, or we have different kind of connection on how or properly port the connections through or on how we can properly use or uh, place the each connection or cables. So here, let's proceed in our Cisco Packet Tracer connecting a wired and wireless LAN with our guide. Okay, first connect the cloud to router 0. This is router 0. Copper straight through, we'll be using it as our destination in router uh, Ethernet, test Ethernet 00 to cloud Ethernet 6 using copper straight through to Ethernet 6. Sorry. Okay. Then next, uh, connect. We're done. Connect the cloud to cable modem. This is the cable modem using the coaxial cable in coaxial 7 to modem port 0. Next, is as you can see, there are green lights. That means they are on and the connection is correct or they are placed correctly. Next, in the connecting router 0 to NetACAD, we'll be using the call this copper crossover in port connected to serial 000. Ay, di pala yan. Step 2 na pala tayo. So step 1 first. Connect router 0 to router 1. We'll be using the serial DTE to our serial 000. Here guys, if you have a wrong port, example console, the cable cannot be connected to the port. So you have to place the proper cable in its proper port. Serial 00 and serial 00. Next, connect na router 0 to netacad.pka, the use of copper crossover for our fast Ethernet 01 to fast Ethernet 0. Next, so here is our cable, console cable. The console cable to configuration terminal RS232. We'll be using, oops, sorry, this cable, the console cable, RS232 to our router 0 console. Next, connect router 1 to switch. So we'll be using the fiber optic. Mm-hmm. 10. We'll be waiting for a while for the connection, if the connection is correct. If this orange thing turned to green. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Okay. Next, connect cable modem to the wireless router. So this is our cable modem will be connected to the wireless router. Again, we'll be using the copper straight through our port 1 to our internet. Did the connection correct? Lastly, connect wireless router to family PC. Choose the correct cable to connect. Okay, if turn green, correct cable, the link lights on the turn green. Ethernet 1. So as you can see guys, each connection is turning or turned or I mean turned into green lights. So that means if you attach the correct cable, the link lights on the cable turn green. It means that each cable are connected correctly. But with this is for cable console cable that is wide. It's not for any connection through internet or any for the use of copper straight through with the use of fiber optic. We have different kinds of connection on how, but we have different kinds of cables. But if you place it on a different port, the connection or the uh, probably the message that you are going to send is not will be blocked because the port is suitable for a proper cable, just like with our routers. Router 1 will be connected to the switch. If you use a serial one that you want it, if you choose serial one that you're going to place with our fiber optic, the the port is not suitable or not correct for the fiber optic. So you should choose the proper, mali ulit to. Here, fast Ethernet, guys. There. So that's the simulated thing on how to connect the cables on the proper port from cloud to family PC, from router 1 to switch, from cable modem to wireless modem, and the proper connection of each end devices and network devices. So let's have this for, again. Type of connections. So guys, we have different kinds of connections. If you connect this device to another device, they should have a uh, similar um, cable. Like the internet we'll be using, there is the for like copper straight through, or we can use the fiber optic. And from the router one, we should have the correct cable to our router or our switch or our uh, and or our end device. So with the proper cable inside or ported in the correct port, the connection of the internet is going to be successful. So to sum up everything, guys, with chapter 4, chapter 4 is more likely about the cables and everything. You should always have the knowledge of memorizing or knowing each or the uses of each cables, the uses of each ports, what are the types of different cables like the coaxial, what is its uses, always have its knowledge to have the proper connection or proper end devices connecting to the network devices. So yeah, that's it guys for our chapter 4 summary. Thank you for tuning in.